Hi everyone, it's Mimi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back to share with you guys the subscription box from BJ's Glitter. I will have their link to the website down below. I do have a special discount code for you guys. For all new customers, they are giving a 30% off the entire purchase. And that is so awesome. So please take advantage of that. I will have that in the description box below. If you have previously ordered from them, no worries. They usually always have some sort of discount code right on the homepage. So this box was released on the 25th of May. So they are now releasing all the contents in this box. It is now June 10th. And these are all brand new items that will be released the following month. As I mentioned, they include anywhere from 4 to 5 2-ounce glitters and a surprise. So whether it's a water slide, a mold, just little things to basically go with the theme. So let's go ahead and get this open and I'll share with you guys what is inside. Also, I wanted to mention that their sub boxes go on sale on the 25th of every month. So I would set your calendars. It is an amazing price that you get all of these things in them. As you can see, I've already dug into mine. So it comes fully wrapped in this super cute mailer. And for May's box, let me just set it off to the side. It came with these pen vinyls, pen wraps. So these are from thebrokenleg.com, and it just tells you what the set entails. And look how pretty these are. And you can stick these right onto those Inkjoy pens and they are ready to go. I believe they're a clear cast pen wrap. So you should have a pen that is white. And then these beauties can be showcased on those pens. So there are 4 of those in this month's box. There's also this decal. It is a clear water slide. That is so cute. It's very vintage looking. It's printed on laser water slide, so there's no need to seal it or anything. And like I mentioned, it's clear. Here is their thank you card. So for the main goodies, so this month they've included 5 new colors of glitter as well as a mica. This is called chili pepper. And look how much you get. I don't know what the ounce is or what how much is actually in here, but that is a lot and it will go a long way. So it is a red, but it has like a pink shift to it. And it's very hard to tell what it will actually look like. It's kind of more in that family right there. But I told you I've already opened it. So let me show you what it looks like under epoxy. So it does have a red hue to it, but to me it has like a pink shift. But it's a very beautiful color. So, and I don't have anything like this in my collection, so that's awesome. And these are the glitters. Can you guys tell what the theme is? It's patriotic. So here is a white. It's called Magic Trix. And like I mentioned, these are all 2-ounce bags of this glitter. It is so pretty. It has like a golden blue shift to it in the white. And let me show you what it looks like under epoxy. Isn't that so pretty? I love it. Could never have enough white. Next is called Burlesque. This looks more like on the matte side, kind of like the Aqua Mist and Cake Face that I showed you in my previous unboxing video. And here is what it looks like. And this is what it looks like under epoxy. It is like a true shade of red. You can definitely see the sparkle, even though it's more on the matte side. It is really pretty. Then, as a chunky, here is Firecracker. So it is like a mix of like these tiny white and red dots in different sizes, and then this like kind of shredded glitter in white, and this is what it looks like under epoxy. It's so fun, and looks like all of it is basically floating in the resin. And then for the blues, here is Admiral. It is a gorgeous shade of blue. It also kind of shifts on the purple side. It's hard to pick up on camera, but you can definitely see purple in there. But great to go with the reds and the white. This is just like Firecracker, but this is called Sparkler, and it's the blue version. And this is what it looks like under epoxy. And just like the red one, it looks like it's floating. So these are so fun. I cannot wait to use this on an upcoming project. I do want to do a patriotic themed tumbler, so stay tuned for that. I will be using these products in one of my next tutorials to show you guys how beautiful all these will look together. So make sure to check out BJ's Glitter. Link is in the description box below. Make sure to use the discount code. And thank you guys so much for stopping by, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye guys.